Hi! In front of me is Realme GT 2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Realme. You need to begin by opening tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll down just a bit and access display and brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!